Want a low-maintenance fence that looks great for years? Here's how to build a vinyl fence the right way. Step by step. Let's start with what you need. Vinyl fences come in kits or panels, but the prep work is just as important. You'll need standard digging and leveling tools, plus brackets or hardware depending on the fence system. Make sure you buy extra parts in case of damage or cutting errors. Carefully plan your layout. Mark your post locations with string and stakes. Pay extra attention to corners and slopes. Vinyl fencing doesn't flex much, so spacing and leveling are critical. Posts are usually spaced exactly 6 or 8 feet apart depending on panel length. Dig holes 10 to 12 inches wide and 30 inches deep. Pour 6 inches of gravel for drainage. Insert the vinyl post and pour concrete around it while checking for level. Use bracing to keep posts straight while the concrete sets. Let it cure at least 24 hours before installing panels. Depending on your system, slide the rails into pre-routed posts or use brackets to attach panels. Always dry fit your panels before securing. This helps catch alignment issues early. Use a rubber mallet to gently tap parts into place and never force pieces together. Your gate should be built using the included kit. Install a diagonal support inside the frame if it doesn't come pre-braced. Hang the gate on preset posts using strong hinges and a latch. Make sure it opens smoothly and clears the ground. Finish by adding vinyl caps to each post with PVC-rated adhesive. Clean the fence with soapy water and a cloth. Avoid abrasive cleaners or bleach, they can damage the finish. Thanks for watching. For more fence tips and expert advice, visit kaonfenceinc.com or give us a call at 781-767-3596. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos.